Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will show you how to cancel your Xfinity service using just your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Xfinity app on your phone and make sure you are logged to your account. Once you are inside the app, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on the account tab. This is where all your billing and service details are. After that, scroll down until you see manage service or services. Tap on that. Inside the service section, look for the service you want to cancel like internet, TV or mobile. Tap on it and then scroll down. You should see an option that says something like cancel service, end service or request to cancel. When you tap cancel, Xfinity will give you a few questions like why you are cancelling or when you want to end the service. Just answer those and continue through the steps. Sometimes the app might ask you to chat with an agent. If that happens, don't worry, just tap chat and tell them you want to cancel. Once you finish, you will get a confirmation message or from Xfinity saying your service is scheduled to cancel. Make sure you read so you know the exact date your service ends and if you need to return any equipment. And that's it. That's how you can cancel your Xfinity service using a phone. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.